Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to share with you insights on a crucial aspect of project management, what a BOQ is and why it matters. The title of our session is What is a BOQ and Why It Matters? Over the next few slides, we'll explore what a BOQ is, its purpose, scope, how it helps control costs, and how it integrates various project stages. Let's dive in and understand how this vital document keeps projects transparent, accurate, and well-coordinated from start to finish. Let's start by looking at the different methods we use to measure and verify quantities in our projects. First, we have the takeoff drawings, which involve measuring quantities directly from 2D plans. This is a fundamental step, but it can be quite manual and time-consuming. Next, we turn to Excel sheets, where we list out all the items and then apply formulas to calculate quantities. This helps streamline the process, but it still relies heavily on manual data entry and calculations. Then we have the specs review, where we cross-check our measurements and quantities against the project specifications. This ensures everything aligns with the project requirements and standards. Site validation is also crucial. It involves re-verifying sample areas directly on the site to confirm that what we planned matches the actual conditions on the ground. This step helps catch any discrepancies early. Finally, we rely on expert judgment. This is where experience plays a big role, using our knowledge to make informed decisions and adjustments when needed. For example, if we consider a chilled water pump, we might specify 10 HP with 2 units needed. Or for ductwork, like GI duct at 24 gauge, covering around 220 square meters. And for fire sprinklers, a typical count might be around 145 units. All these methods together help us ensure accuracy and efficiency in our project planning and execution. They form a comprehensive approach, combining technical measurements, cross-checking, on-site validation, and seasoned judgment. Let's dive into how our model integration works seamlessly with Revit. Quantities are pulled directly from Revit, so there's no need for manual entry, ensuring accuracy and saving time. Moving on, we have live schedules that automatically update whenever the design changes, keeping everyone on the same page without extra effort. Data export is also a key feature. Our system links effortlessly to Excel and Power BI, enabling advanced analysis and reporting. Smart tagging is another powerful tool. It assigns system IDs and element codes to each component, which greatly improves traceability throughout the project lifecycle. All of these features collectively lead to significant time savings by reducing manual errors and rework. For example, we can precisely track lighting fixtures, like 250 units, or power cables, say 850 meters, and even MDB panels, making sure everything is accounted for accurately and efficiently. Overall, these capabilities not only streamline your workflow, but also enhance data accuracy and project coordination. Let's take a closer look at the hybrid BOQ method, our optimized approach. First, we combine building information modeling, or BIM, with Excel. We start by exporting data from Revit, but then we manually refine it to ensure accuracy and completeness. This step helps us catch any discrepancies early on. Next, we perform cross-verification, which means comparing the model data against specifications and checking against the site conditions. This helps us confirm everything aligns properly. We also utilize standard templates by using predefined MEP item libraries tailored for each discipline. This standardization streamlines the process and reduces errors. Then, we conduct QA/QC checks, often involving third-party review by quantity surveyors. Their independent assessment adds an extra layer of confidence in the accuracy of our BOQ. Finally, before we proceed to tender, we seek the client's final approval or sign-off. For example, the BOQ might specify items like a PVC pipe of 100 in length, say 120 meters, or a floor drain made of stainless steel, 30 units, and a water heater of 50 liters, with 6 units. This thorough process ensures the BOQ is reliable, accurate, and ready for project execution. Let's take a closer look at this sample BOQ table for MEP systems. As you can see, it breaks down the key disciplines involved in the project. For example, under mechanical, we have the CHW pump, which is a 10 HP unit. We need 2 of these pumps, and the unit rate is 12,000 SAR, bringing the total to 24,000 SAR. Moving on to electrical, the table lists LED lighting fixtures, specifically 60x 60 cm panels. We have a total of 250 fixtures, each costing 180 SAR, which results in a total of 45,000 SAR. This highlights the scale of electrical work involved in a project like this. For plumbing, PVC pipes with a diameter of 100 are included. We need 120 meters of this pipe, at a cost of 25 SAR per meter, totaling 3,000 SAR. This table is important because it gives us a clear, itemized overview of the quantities and costs for each system, which is essential for budgeting and project planning. When we connect this to our overall project management, understanding these details helps us ensure everything is accounted for and stays within scope and budget. It also allows us to communicate effectively with suppliers and contractors, making sure everyone is on the same page.